Today I want to share some tips on how to build your uterine lining to support your fertility. Why is a thick uterine lining important? Your uterine lining is where the embryo implants and grows, so having a healthy blood-rich lining is really important if you're trying to conceive. So a thin lining can happen for a few reasons, for example, low estrogen, poor blood flow, long-term birth control use, or even certain fertility medications like Clomid. And how do you know if your lining might be thin? Well, of course, the easiest way is to check with your fertility doctor and have a scan. But even without a scan, Chinese medicine gives us some clues. So in Chinese medicine, a thin lining usually points to what we call blood deficiency. Some signs of blood deficiency can include light, delayed, or missed periods. It can also include just feeling very tired even after getting a good night's rest. Some dizziness or lightheadedness, especially when you stand up, blurred or dry eyes, sometimes poor vision, pale face or pale lips, dry, brittle or thinning hair, brittle or pale nails or ridged nails, cold hands and feet, heart palpitations, occasional anxiety perhaps, and difficulty falling asleep. So not everyone will have all of these symptoms, of course, but if any of these resonate with you, it's a sign that your body might need some blood nourishment. And what can you do to help thicken and improve your uterine lining? So first is to eat a nutrient-rich diet. Think bone broth, soups, stews, cooked greens, eggs, cooked beets, beans. Take iron, especially during and after your period. Keep warm. So in Chinese medicine, we talk about a cold uterus. So you want to keep your lower abdominal area, your lower back, and the soles of your feet warm and covered. You want to sleep well, so your body restores itself while you sleep. Prioritize good rest, especially around your period. Reduce stress as much as you can. Stress can interfere with proper blood flow. And you want to move your body, but gently. So you want circulation, but you don't want to deplete yourself or deplete your fluids because the fluids make up the blood. So you don't want to sweat too much with exercise. Acupuncture can really help with increasing blood flow to the uterus. Fertility massage is another method of increasing blood flow. Castor oil packs is also very common, and there's a lot of tutorials around that online. So that's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.